How to fix apps freeze in Windows. 1. Update your Windows. 2. Switch to local account temporary, then run wsreset.exe. 3. Remove with Device Manager, then reinstall your printer driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run PowerShell command from command prompt. Command, get apps package elixir for each apps package disable development mode register $__.install location, appexmanifest.xml. 5. Reset the problematic app to default. Like this. 6. Check, disable, then you may try uninstalling your antivirus, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 7. For advanced users, perform a clean boot. 8. Remove the reported Dahimic app.